Welcome, here I've got MEIZU M6T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings with the location option here, and it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button from the right, we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the right to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture. Now let's tap to more here in the right corner at the bottom and pick image details. And now here we can check the location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.